are a large institution ranked as 5-star under Gujarat State Institutional Rating Framework by Government of Gujarat, and we are among the top 3 university of the state of Gujarat. Our size is 20,000 students with 1800 plus staff, and we offer more than 120 programs in 13 faculty domains. We are laureled with industry-linked programs, industry inside university and university inside industry is the differentiation which Ganpat University has carved for the success of its students and its faculty. Under the guidance of the Board of Governors of Ganpat University, in collaboration with Stratasys, Ganpat University established the Center for Additive Manufacturing, which was converted into National Center for Additive Manufacturing by Ministry of Electronics after the Honorable Minister of Electronics, Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekharji, visited us and saw that we have already curated a very strong center with the help of Stratasys. And this is a facility which led to the implementation of its first national mission of additive manufacturing in India. Additive manufacturing opens up the door for domains of automobile, automotive, defense, healthcare, and many more.
We at Ganpat University have a dedicated Center of Excellence for Additive Manufacturing in association with Stratasys and DesignTech. We offer various certification courses and custom-made industrial training program to cater the industrial need in this emerging technology. The center is equipped with 5 Stratasys industrial grade printers, 2 of PolyJet technologies and 3 of FDM technologies. All printers are having their different set of characteristics. When we talk about PolyJet technology, we have a 2 printer, J5 MediJet, which is suitable for the biomedical models along with the multicolor models, and the Object Dental, which is mainly focused on dental applications. For FDM, we have 3 printers, F-series printers. When we talk about F770, it has a larger build area of 1 meter, so automotive part or aerospace part can be produced on a single go using F770. We have F370, which is known for its material printing with some special materials like carbon fiber, elastomers, and nylon grade. We have F170 entry-level printer to train our graduates into this emerging technology. We also equip with a dedicated post-processing or cleaning parts assembly lines as well. As you can see, this is a final part which removes all the supports on a single go. For PolyJet technology, we have a dedicated cleaning facilities for just like a water jet mechanism. As you can see, this is a final part using water jet technologies that removes the additional support in a very shorter duration of a time. DesignTech has been very helpful throughout the establishment of this Center of Excellence at Ganpat University.
We are into 3D printing services using FDM and PolyJet technology. This is a huge casing for aerospace industry. We have 3D printed in one shot using Stratasys F770 3D printer.
We are equally grateful to DesignTech, which is an implementation agency on behalf of Stratasys and has successfully helped us implement the first phase of the Center for Additive Manufacturing.